Okay, so as we were talking about a initial point, what is a initial point basically? A point from where any object, any particular path, any direction starts is known as an initial point. It can be anything, any object, any path, any direction. From where it originates, from where it starts is known as a initial point. That's how simple it is. Now let's talk about what we have discussed today. We have discussed commutative law of vector addition. What is formula for it? If I simply explain it to you, it is like A equals to AB plus BC. It can be anything. C equals to BA plus DC. It can be anything. This is the terminology that is used right here. Meanwhile, the terms that will be formed here should be configuration of your diagram. For example, as we configured such scenarios for them from this diagram were OB equals to B, AB equals to A. These were all the statements and resultants of this parallelogram. Right, so the vertex here should be known as a derived form, or you can simply say a vertex. Okay, so at first we have to make them equal. Like अगर मैं आपको दो तरह की टर्म्स देता हूँ b प्लस ए एंड a प्लस बी, सो ऑफकोर्स आप यही कहोगे कि मैं a प्लस बी करूँ या b प्लस ए करूँ, दोनों की टर्मिनोलॉजी और दोनों सेम ही रहेंगे. राइट, मैं कहूँगा बिल्कुल ठीक है. पर यहाँ पे देख के आपको करना है कि a प्लस बी और b प्लस ए आप कैसे कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखा जाए OA equals to OB plus BA. OA equals to R, that is our resultant. B plus A is our O, B and BA in the diagram, not in actual. स्टार्ट में मैंने क्या डिस्क्राइब किया था, 3 पॉइंट्स को मिलके एक ट्रायंगल बनता है और उस ट्रायंगल को हम वेक्टर ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. राइट, तो यहाँ पे हमें B प्लस ए और A प्लस बी दिखाना था और थर्ड पॉइंट क्या होता हमारा, ऑफ कोर्स रिजल्टेंट होता. दैट्स हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट अ graphical representation, right? So b plus a is our equation 1. Meanwhile, इसके ही अपोजिट कर दो, a plus b. Consider o is our initial point and a plus b. o equals to, now o equal कहाँ के है, यहाँ पे ob के equal and a equal है oa के. Meanwhile b equal है ab के, as per the diagram, not in actual, right? So a resultant equals to a plus b is our equation 2. At the end we will compare them out and the formed answer will be equal. The term that is used here should be equal to each other, and that is what a commutative law says. The both terms should be equal. Meanwhile, the associative law is the same. It also says that the both terms should be equal, but the terminologies, the formula for it is different, bit different. We will look into it, of course, in our upcoming video. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. If you have any type of question, you can drop me a comment, you can ask me on my Insta. Otherwise, you can simply leave it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye bye, sayonara, arigato.